Welcome back, folks. This is Joe with Steel Blade Woodworks. We're going to start a new project here. It's going to be a series of videos, and this is going to be a workstation for the new CNC that's coming in. We're going with an Avid 48 by 48, and should be coming in next week. So I'm going to put these cabinets up and prepare so we have a work surface to lay out some of the parts as we're putting it together, and plus just work on some more storage here for the shop. So we're going to go with the butcher block countertop. As you can see, I'm just kind of getting everything kind of set up just to see how we're going to lay this out, what's going to work the best. I think we're going to probably go in here and we'll finish this out, and we'll have a big cabinet on either side with two smaller ones in the middle. We'll do some kind of a pegboard to hang some tools. Probably more of my measuring tools and stuff will go in here. Bottom part will be just storage for a lot of stuff that you know, saws and drills, whatnot, that don't get used all the time. The CNC will be put basically in front of this window, and we'll have this, you know, by the time we come back and have this all set up, we'll have this all painted. Kind of on the fence of what colors we're going to go. My two main colors of the theme of the shop are red and gray, so I'm kind of back and forth. Which I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and paint the walls gray and the cabinets red, and this will just have a stain or just some sort of oil finish on it, just to kind of break it up, and go from there. But I just wanted to come in. This is going to be just a little short video. We'll do the workstation setup and get all the power ran. I've got some conduits over there by that window that were put in pre-foundation, so we'll have to pull that up, and we're just going to run conduit along this wall, have some power set up. At the same time, I'll get all the power for the CNC, the 220 and or 240 and 120. I ended up doing, and everybody knows this, since the pandemic, prices of lumber have just skyrocketed. I really wanted to build these cabinets, but just cost-wise, it was easier, well, not easier, cheaper to buy pre-made cabinets. Down here where we're at, we're looking at, just to get one side sanded plywood 4x8, you're looking north of $52 a sheet. It doesn't, cost-wise, it doesn't make any sense. I mean, yeah, I'll get a better cabinet, but with all the expense that's going in this shop, it's just crazy to spend that kind of money on that right now when we've got other things to do. So that's why we decided to buy these pre-made cabinets. They'll work, they're fine, built good. It's going to save a lot of money. These countertops, these were not cheap either. I mean, everything has gone up, so I know I'm probably going to get a lot of heat for doing this, but it is what it is. So that's why you see these. I just picked these up yesterday, so we're going to get these installed, get everything painted up. I'll try to shoot some video on that, but you know, since I'm not building them, it's really, I mean, other than the process of hanging them and you know, paint, probably the next time you'll see, you'll have all this stuff painted and everything in place. Now this countertop, I'm gonna get all this glued up, but I'm not gonna attach it to the cabinets right away, because I want to put it in the CNC and I want to do an inlay of my logo here in the middle, and then we'll probably use some epoxy with some pigment color in there to bring that out. that's my plans. I don't know if I'm going to do it, but I really want to, and I think that'd probably be, you know, one of the first things that we'll try that CNC out once it's done. We'll go ahead and put this baby in there and go ahead and router that out and do an inlay. Ought to be pretty cool. As far as the pegboard, I'm going to try to find out, try to price out maybe some wall control, something that looks nice. There's other alternatives, you know, so we'll go figure out what we're going to do. I have a regular old pegboard up top. I don't know if I want to use that. But yeah, that's this is where we're at right now with this. And just a little disclaimer, any of the tools or anything that's mentioned in these videos, I'm not affiliated with them. I purchase all this with my own money and show people how to do it if they want to try this, you know, hanging cabinets, whatnot. It's really straightforward.